Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today I'm here with a URIKAR paddleboard sub, which I will leave a link down below so that you guys can check it out. And it's at a great price, especially when we use a coupon code. I will leave one down below, but on their webpage there are also a few, so just feel free to use any. And as you can see, I already have removed it from the original package. It comes really well packed and they deliver worldwide, so it is fine. Now, in terms of the bag itself, this is the transportation bag. It's really nice, well made, and it's enough for the needs. Inside the bag, it came with all these accessories. It came with the manual, so just in case we want to check how to assemble and just make sure everything is okay. It comes with a 12 inches leash so that we can tie it to our foot. It comes with 3 fins, 1 central and 2 for the sides, a repair kit. It also comes with this really nice pump, and this pump is similar to one that I've got for my kite surfing sessions. Not as robust, but does the same job. It has a PSI measure right over here. It also comes with the paddle that splits into 3, and it has, according to the measures right over here, a maximum extension of 2 meters and 15 centimeters, and it comes with a waterproof bag. This is very useful in case we go with our car and then we take phones, a camera, something like that. Want to make it safe, we just use this waterproof bag, and then once it's secure we can put it on the ropes that are on the subboard, which is really awesome. Lastly, it comes with this paper right over here that shows several models, but that is better to check out on the website, that you have several colors and several models available from URIKAR. Now what I'm going to do is to inflate and let you know how much time I will take to inflate and if it's difficult or not. Okay, so forget about the cardio on the gym for today. Almost 6 minutes and we are ready to start paddling. Isso é bom para os bracinhos, meu. É bom para um aquecimento.
Então, de acordar às 7 da manhã não ajuda nada.
Vá, ajuda, esquece. Isso é desculpa. Bora. Muito estável, é isso que eu sinto. Basta andar aqui um bocadinho assim, na palhaçada. Agora, de pé, vamos ver. De pé, vamos lá ver como é que ela sobe. Ok, é uma questão de habituação na própria prancha. Mas sim, estável. So second day on the URIKAR board, which in my opinion so far as a beginner it's great for the kind of usage that I'm giving to it. It gives me enough confidence so that I can push up. I am comfortable on my knees, but when I stand up, I still need to practice a lot. So what I feel is that it gives me stability, and with that stability it gives me confidence so that I can keep on pushing and pushing. And before I publish this review, practice a little bit more, or a lot more, and let's see where we will get. As a beginner, my feedback so far, great. So this is my third day on shooting, and today I'm at Praia do Alemão. This is in Algarve, Portugal. It is one of the most beautiful beaches that I'm aware. By the way, today I did not use the manual pump. I did purchase an electric pump that I can connect to my car, and it will be able to inflate the maximum of this board, which is 15 psi or 12 minutes or 300 liters of pressure. So great experience so far. I will try to leave a link down below, but if I forget, there are lots of pumps that will help us out. Now, did I tell you about this beautiful beach, this beautiful spot? Not only for SUP, but today we are on a URIKAR SUP, so let's go. Bom dia. Yeah. See this little island right over here on the middle of this beautiful bay, and older people like my grandfather, things like that, they said that this is the Love Island. Why? Because when the tide is low, which is not at this moment, you can come here walking through some path. But when it's the high tide, which is what it is at this moment, there is no way out. So if you came here, we are talking about the old days, a couple, you would be here for a few hours until the tide would go down. So this is called the Love Island, which I do believe that it's a nice story, really nice, but makes sense. And I'm here with the URIKAR, so let's keep on our traveling journey. So I said at the beginning, I will not fall, but don't know how I did it, but I did risk too much. I think I did put my feet too together, and it should be further away. So I just bam, bam, boom. But it's hot, so great. So I love so much this spot right over here that I'm going to wrap up here. Although, before you see this part, I will take you to another spot, which you already have seen. Now, in terms of the URIKAR board, my opinion still stands, and it is a little bit stronger in this particular case. Great for beginners, even medium level, and have in mind that I'm a beginner on SUP. I have tried quite a few times. As you imagine, I've got a lot of places and I've done a few sightseeings, but nothing as intense as I've been doing for the past few days, and I'm loving it. Actually, the video took longer because I tend to enjoy everything else, and sometimes I forget, hey, I have to take footage about this and about that. So this is one of the cons. I'm loving it, and I feel that it gives me confidence. In terms of build quality, which I believe to be one of the important factors, on the website they mention PVC, military grade material, and I do believe that it's really resistant. and putting the board on several surfaces, even sometimes rocks and sands and whatnot, and it doesn't seem to have any issues whatsoever. And when we feel it, it's really, really strong. So in terms of build quality, great. In terms of balance, great. To sit down like I am right now. If you want to go on your knees, stand up, just a great experience. That being said, hope that the video was helpful in some way. I will leave links down below so that you guys can check it out. The price is great if you use the coupon code. Not only the one that I'm going to leave below, but any coupon code that you see on the website will be great, and we'll have this on a really great price, which in my opinion, worth it. If it was useful, don't forget to leave that thumbs up right over there. My name is Roberto, Jorge, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.